Yeah. Okay, good evening everyone for joining in today. Today we are good 6 people joining in, including our speaker. So we welcome you all and thank you for taking out time for today's session. And we hope like other days, आज का session भी आपको beneficial रहे. एंड ये जो ग्रुप है लिव लाइफ कोइंसाइड्स ग्रुप, ये मिस्टर आशीष चोपड़ा ने शुरू किया था विद द पर्पस कि हम जो भी हम प्रोफेशनल्स हैं या वी हैव सम ड्रीम्स, सम एस्पिरेशंस टू हैव करियर्स इन आवर सेकंड इनिंग्स ऑफ लाइफ, हम उसको परस्यू कर सकें और एक दूसरे के साथ ग्रो करें. और थर्सडे और सैटरडे के हमारे जो इवनिंग के सेशंस होते हैं वो इसी पर्पस से होते हैं कि हम जाने एक दूसरे के बारे में भी, क्या काम करते हैं, क्या हम सीख सकते हैं नया. तो आज का सेशन है हाउ टू हैंडल योर टीम्स. हमारे जो स्पीकर हैं रुचिका रस्तोगी, शी इज अ काउंसलर, शी इज अ कोच, लाइफ कोच एज वेल. एंड वी वेलकम यू रुचिका. And Manisha, please say a few words.
Yes, thank you, Shanu ji, and thank you very much, Ruchika ji. You took out your precious time, valuable time for our group to share your knowledge with all of us. Parenting is a very sensitive topic. हम सब पेरेंट्स तो बन जाते हैं, लेकिन किस तरह हम अपने चाइल्ड को ग्रूम करें, किस तरह उनकी परवरिश करें, कई लोग तो इसमें बहुत अच्छे से कर पाते हैं और कई लोग चूक जाते हैं. और कई चीज शायद हमें पता भी है, लेकिन हमें जरूरत होती है टाइम टू टाइम याद दिलाने की. सो सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू everyone for joining this evening. You took out your precious time, and thank you, speaker. Thank you, Ashuji, for creating this wonderful group. So without wasting any time, let's start today's session. Ruchika ji.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ashuji, Manisha ji, and Shanu ji, for giving me this opportunity. And this is really a beautiful platform on which I have seen women blossoming in their own platforms, and at the same time they are just blooming in their own careers. So I'm quite grateful to you. And I am a spoken English trainer. I'm also taking IELTS coaching classes, and at the same time I'm a parenting coach. So I have counseled the parents regarding their growth, and at the same time I have told them that how to do the things with the children so that they'll be able to do it without any problems or without any conflicts. So before starting the session, can you please tell me that how old is your child, or how you are taking care of the child, any particular conflict that you are experiencing while raising your child? So can we start with you, Erica?
So
If you can
my
tell me,
daughter
how
is-
old is your child?
Yes, yes.
Erica, you are on mute, I suppose. You can just tell that how old is your child. Kalpana ji, can you tell me how old is your child?
16 and 21.
15 and 21. Wow. So obviously you might be having a lot of experience with you to share, right? And Shruti, what about you? How
Actually,
old is your child?
And my daughter is 10 years old only, but she seems to be pretending like one teen only, and I have problems with her being rebellion at most of my decisions. So I thought it's a good time that I can, learn some hands-on, techniques on how to handle her well for her upcoming years.
Oh, definitely. I hope it will be fruitful for you. Okay. And Erika, how old is your child?
One is 8 and one is 7.
8 and 7 years old, right? Okay, that's nice. So that means they're in pre-teenage. So soon they'll be going into the teenage. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Sona. So getting, I think she's just joined. So today, let us first start with a small situation. So we all are mothers. We have experienced our children, and Kalpana ji might have experienced many more experiences. And at the same time, I have faced a situation in which the child is always cranky. Maybe a teenage child, maybe a toddler, or maybe a child who is just going to college. So everybody is cranky in one way or the other. But there are many differences that we can experience. A toddler will be crying. A school going child will be able to tell his needs, but at the same time, a college going person, what will he do? He will not be crying. Maybe you can say it depends on his hormones. So the hormonal changes are happening at this particular age. This is very crucial age, due to which he is not able to control his anger, his excitement, and at the same time, he is not able to diversify his feels because he is just going inside his own shell. अपनी शेल में चले जाते हैं कई बार बच्चे. मैंने देखा है कि बच्चे जो है आपस में बात भी कर रहे होंगे तब भी वो अपने पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताना चाहेंगे. Why? Because we are not their friends. They want to be with their friends. But can we be their friends? So इसी को लेके we can start our discussion. I'm just going to share my screen. Just 1 second. So this is how to handle the teens. These are the various questions when whatever is coming to our mind. हमारे दिमाग में बहुत कुछ चल रहा होता है बट उसके बाद हम उनसे वो शेयर नहीं कर पाते. So like the first question is, how can I establish the discipline? Second question, will rules make my teen rebel? Third question, do peers have more influence than I do with my teen? Next one, what if my teen won't talk to me? My child shows lack of confidence. How to improve that? How can I improve sharing with my child? What shall be my role in right career selection of my teen? बहुत सारे questions होते हैं. But इसमें से अगर हम लेके चले, will rules make my teen rebel? ये most common question है. So anybody who can just give me any example, like have you made some rules for your child and they were able to interact with you, they became rebel, or what happened? Any situation? जैसे मैं अगर अपनी बात करूं, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि मैंने अपने बेटे को बोला, my son is in 12th. मैंने उसको बोला कि नहीं, मेरे तो रूल्स बन गए हैं, तुम्हें इसी टाइम तक बाहर खेलने जाना है, इतने टाइम तक रीडिंग करनी है. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, सडनली ही स्टॉप्ड लिसनिंग टू मी. दैट वाज अ क्रूशियल स्टेज इन माय लाइफ. मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा था कि मैं उसके साथ में आगे क्या टॉक करूं, क्या कन्वर्सेशन कंटिन्यू करूं कि वो मुझसे आके अपने मन की बात शेयर करे. Because he has just gone inside. He is not interested in listening. मम्मा तो always rules बनाते रहेंगी, मुझे नहीं follow करना. So that was my reaction. So anybody who can tell about their reaction, if I can invite someone. Anybody who wants to share the reaction? आपने
Actually,
कभी कुछ
yes,
share
the
किया हो?
situation. हाँ
Yes,
जी,
Kalpana.
कल्पना here.
Hmm.
Rules are to be broken is their rule. I feel that way.
Understood.
Because
हम समझ.
एक टाइम है लंच का, एक टाइम है डिनर का. एंड रीजन उनके पास होता है कि मैं अभी अभी नहा के आया हूँ, मैं अभी नहीं खाना खा सकता. एंड
Right.
मम्मा मैं अभी जिम करने जा रहा हूँ, तो दिस इज नॉट माय डिनर टाइम, मैं बाद में खा लूंगा. सो
Seriously.
rule कुछ टाइम के बाद they are just for you and not for anybody else, so you just keep following your made rules. And
Right.
the distance, if we just stick upon the rules, the distance will keep on increasing. तो थोड़े टाइम के बाद हमने छोड़ दिया, because that was the time when COVID happened and then everything came to standstill, so there was no timings, no rules, nothing for them as well as for me.
Agreed. Very true
So
situation.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely. This happened. और उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं, हमको भी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होता है. चाइल्ड इज ऑलवेज इन डिसअपॉइंटेड फेज बिकॉज ही डजंट वांट टू सी कि अच्छा मम्मा हमारे बेनिफिट के लिए बोल रही है या हमारा लॉस हो रहा है इससे. He's a young adult at this stage. So what we can do? According to me, we can make some firm rules and some flexible rules. So what can be the flexible rules? Like this, we have discussed already. You cannot expect the obvious in this age. They don't have any limits. And their intelligence is hijacked by their hormones. So I think we all agree to this. So put a thumbs up if you all agree to this. I agree to this 100%. Yeah. So that is always there. So now there shall be rules for teens or not. So if you see in the brain, in the hormones, something is happening to them at that point of time, they think like an adult. But at the same time, they do not know what is their harm or what is their benefit. उनका loss कहाँ पे हो रहा है? क्योंकि वो अपने ही दुनिया में जा रहे हैं. They are in their own dreamy world. Because हमारा जो frontal cortex होता है brain का थोड़ा scientific knowledge हो जाती है यहाँ पे. So that is controlling their all emotions and expressions. Also, the teenagers deal with fear as a constant companion because उनको ये लगता है कि हमें approval चाहिए सारी stages पे. हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं अगर वो approve नहीं हो रहा है तो they go into an inferiority complex. They go into a secondary complex. They go into their again the same thing. They go into their own rooms कि हमें तो कोई समझने वाला ही नहीं है. अपना ही disappointment, depression चलता रहेगा चाहे वो नहीं भी होता है तब भी. Unconditional love is the greatest gift that we can give to them. Instead of arguing, as Kalpana ji was saying, हम लोग उनके साथ में बैठ के बात कर सकते हैं. बात is the most important solution. But बात हमें कैसे करनी है, कितनी करनी है, वो भी depend करता है. So that we'll come to it later. As it will boost their confidence and at the same time उनका relationship भी हमारे साथ improve होगा. Suppose हमने 5 मिनट बात की, 10 मिनट बात की, but the talk should be communicable. The talk should be emotional. It should create empathy in your child. So we are talking about some rules, firm rules, physical or emotional health and safety is at stake. The family's values are at stake. तो उसके लिए हमें एक firm rule बनाना ही पड़ेगा. जैसे, okay, it's fine. You don't want to have dinner. Let me know when do you have to have dinner. I should know I am your mother. So obviously कुछ चीजें 50-50 चलेंगी तो उनके लिए ज्यादा बेनिफिट रहेगा, हमारे लिए भी बेनिफिट रहेगा. We are at peace of mind. And they will also feel, yes, parents are listening to me. They are going in my direction. But it is happening the other way around because we are listening to them at our own points, at our own conditions. Right? I hope this is all solving some of your queries because firm rules are very important in life, whatever is the situation. एक example मैंने आपको दिया dinner time जैसे कल्पना मैम बात कर रहे थे. Second example I can give like मैंने जो दिया था study time का. अगर आपको study करनी है तो मुझे बता दो 1 घंटा करनी है 2 घंटा करनी है but at that time you will be studying. उसके बाद आप 3 घंटे games खेलोगे, it doesn't matter because it is better than 24 hours. So slowly and gradually हम लोग उनको अपने साथ में लेके चल सकते हैं. But अगर उनकी बात नहीं मानेंगे, they will just leave us at any cost. Now let's go to some flexible rules. These are all flexible rules. Some rules are open for discussion and can be negotiated. So we have to think of some good reason that how we can negotiate with them. So we can use flexible rules when it is not a health and safety issue. The issue does not affect or compromise family's values. Family's values, we can say on every festival, you have to be there with me. You will not leave. Maybe you can come late, but your presence is mandatory. आपको वहाँ होना है. Second, freedom for his or her clothing and the personal space. ठीक है, आप थोड़ी देर के लिए चले जाओ बाहर, लेकिन उसके बाद में आप फैमिली फंक्शन के टाइम 10 मिनट्स वो वाले क्लोथ्स पहन लो, बाद में आके चेंज कर लेना. So we are coming to a compromising situation. Adjustment is happening at both ends. Then hanging out with friends with no discrimination. Okay, you can hang out with girls, boys, seniors, juniors, whatever. But after some time, I should be knowing कि आप हो कहाँ पर. Then planning for party and outing. Obviously, this depends on family to family. कि आप कितना उनको freedom देना चाहते हैं और वो कितना freedom लेने के लिए ready हैं. So can anybody give me one example of the firm rule or the flexible rule if possible? आप क्या बना सकते हो अपने घर में? So that will benefit your child or that will benefit your family if you're interested in sharing something. So can anybody say something? Or it's happening already? Okay. So let's get some idea. Erika, Shruti or Kalpana ji, anybody who want to share something?
Yes, actually here हमने एक बनाया था you
Yeah.
Your friends. एक firm rule ये है कि we should be aware about your whereabouts. Even if you are having a night out with एक किसी के घर पे अगर आप night out कर रहे हो तो I should be able to drop you and I will pick you no matter what, no matter how far. So win-win situation है, आपको जाने को मिल रहा है और I am at peace that yes you will be here and I'll be picking you from here itself.
Right. So what
Something
happened?
like that. Yes,
So,
they were happy about it because they were staying all together with a friend for some movies, some videos, or some games. And because his friends were not around, so they were clubbing, not clubbing, but being there together. So the food and played the games for the whole night, and then we could pick them up in the morning. So it was a win-win situation. We knew that they are at home and not doing any, not going out or driving or riding scooters at night full speed or whatever.
yeah, exactly. And at the same time, this is developing trust between you and your child. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a satisfaction from my side because the kids, I don't know how they think, because exactly like you said, uh, they behave, they think like adults but they behave like kids.
Seriously. So
And
because
one very good advice, I don't remember who gave me this advice, that when it's a baby, younger age, they when they're teenager, they should have their sleep full. अगर वो अच्छे से सोते हैं तो they behave, otherwise they are worse than a toddler person.
yeah. So that is really nice. I agree to that they should sleep more or they should sleep properly. But at the same time, I think like what happened with me or what I had experienced, if we have given them the freedom for sleep also, they are neglecting their physical health. अभी मेरी sleep पूरी नहीं हुई है, let me sleep for 8 hours. Yeah. So I suppose that we can maintain a balance. And at the same time, we can go calculatively, we can go through mathematics. That yes, ठीक है, तुम्हारी sleep हो गई है 6 घंटे के लिए, now नीचे जाओ और भागो. Go and do the jogging for at least 15 minutes and then come up. So that is what I believe कि हमको एक balance बनाना बहुत जरूरी है, because उनका balance नहीं है, their balance is totally imbalanced. And change is the only constant that we can bring in their lives. So आजकल के बच्चे जैसे हैं, हमें पता है they are not flexible, we have to be flexible. So this is what related to flexible and the firm rules. So now let's go to the next one. There are 5 P's that every parent should be having. Patience that we have developed as mothers. Then the purpose, process, proactiveness, and persistence. So that is really very essential if you're going for a long run. Patience आ ही जाता है, we don't have to be angry, right? Then purpose obviously the well-being of the child and well-being of the family. Then the process that we are just discussing by making the rules, being friendly, spending quality time instead of quantity time. 10 minute भी बैठे हैं उसके साथ में, but we are asking some open-ended questions, not limiting ourselves to yes and no. Then proactiveness, obviously उसके whereabouts के बारे में हमें पता होना चाहिए. When, why, how. These are the basic questions. And persistence, keep on trying. Practice makes a person perfect. So that is very important. Now, if we come to the next one. So there are various challenges in our lives. So I want to replace the word problems with challenges. Because as soon as we hear the word problem, we think negatively. Okay, इतना सारा problem है, अभी कैसे solve होगा? We have to do something. We have to find a solution. But if we see as a challenge, so we become achievers. Okay, I have crossed this challenge. Now the next challenge is in front of me. And teenage के साथ में, these are the common misuse that can happen at any time. Behavioral issues, we can say, societal problems, we can say, or at the same time, the influence of peers. So tobacco use, alcohol, drug abuse, any sexual activity, or poor nutrition, violence, accidents, anything can happen. So instead of shying away from these facts, we can be somewhat open. And if we are somewhat open, we are again developing a bond with them instead of making them feel that this is such a taboo in the society, although it is not a taboo. I hope it's clear, or I hope you all agree with me. Please give me a thumbs up if we can move ahead. Yeah. All right. So let's go to the next one. So again that we were discussing about quality time versus quantity time. हम बच्चों के साथ में 1 घंटा बैठ जाते हैं, 2 घंटा बैठ जाते हैं, बट होता क्या है, हम उनसे वही पूछ रहे होते हैं, खाना खा लिया, क्या खाया खाने में, पढ़ाई कर ली, कितनी पढ़ाई कर ली, इसके अलावा क्वेश्चंस नहीं है हमारे पास. So we should be creative to ask some questions. Like we can ask about, tell me something about your hobbies. कैसे develop कर सकते हैं? We can become a child. Why not? So obviously they like to teach us. And meanwhile, if we are developing a conversation, we'll be able to strike a balance again. Then what do you think about something? What do you think about this movie? What do you think about the climate? What do you think if this child is going to do that thing? So again, they start expressing themselves, जो हमारा main aim है. How would you do that? I feel like talking to you. Can I talk to you right now? तो उनको भी लगेगा कि हमारी talking की भी कुछ needs है. Otherwise, they just feel कि उनकी needs है ये, मम्मी पापा को कोई talking की जरूरत नहीं है. They are just there to instruct us. So these are the open-ended questions that we can ask from them. At the same time, we should not interrupt them when they are talking. We can listen to them. And we should make it clear that you can talk to me whenever you feel like. Maybe at midnight, maybe in early morning, maybe for 5 minutes, 2 minutes, but come and tell me whatever you are needing at that time. Okay, let's go to the next one. So as it is written, strike a conversation. This is conversation about time, about food, about safety, about all those things that are needed at an early stage, or especially during the adolescence age. Because they need again your trust, they need again your guidance when moving ahead. Conversation में हम storytelling भी ला सकते हैं. As mothers, we have become very good storytellers. But उस time पे हमें ये ध्यान में रखना है कि हमारा anger या हमारा criticism सामने नहीं आना चाहिए. Because if we are criticizing them, so they will not listen. They will just move away from us. That yes, mama is always there to criticize me. So we should listen them. Once they finish, then obviously we can make our point forward. The next one is, so this is the truth of today, that we have to understand and we have to say that yes, this is happening. Anything and everything online is visible. Everything is permanent. So that means nowadays what we have heard about digital imprint.